Okay, this is the Education Space Consultancy video tutorial for the Timetable Grid tool that is available to everyone via the Education Space Consultancy website. This tool turns your timetable list into a timetable grid. For this video tutorial, I'm going to briefly show you how to download the tool as well as also how to use it. So let's start first of all with downloading the tool itself from the Education Space Consultancy website. Okay. So it's simply educationspaceconsultancy.com, and then you go to resources, and then on here you'll find the different resources that are available for free to all subscribers of the Education Space Consultancy newsletter. If you're not yet a newsletter subscriber, simply enter your email address here and click subscribe, or here and click subscribe. And you'll not only receive the fortnightly newsletter, but also a password that enables you to access and download all of the tools available on the resources page. So for this video tutorial, we're going to look at the Timetable Grid tool and the Timetable Data Spreadsheet. So to download them, you would simply click on the link, enter your password here, and click download. And that'll be the same again for your data spreadsheet. It simply opens up another window, enter your password, click download, and you've got both the spreadsheets you need for the tool to work. Okay, so now we're going to have a look at how to use the Timetable Grid tool in conjunction with the Timetable Data Spreadsheet. So I have these loaded up here. So first of all, we're going to look at the Timetable Data Spreadsheet, which is the second one down. This is basically the format your timetable data needs to be in order for the Timetable Grid tool to create the timetable grid for you. So as you can see here, these headings might well be very familiar to you if you use timetable software such as Syllabus Plus and Enterprise, which is assigned to a timetabling product, as that's what this tool has been created using. That isn't to say this won't work with other timetable software. As long as you have the data in the same format, you'll still be able to use the tool. So as you can see here, we've got campus, location, name of department, activity name, size, module ID, day, time, and duration. For this example, I've got this down all the way to here. So we've got about 283 entries, but your list can go as long as your timetable data is. So the key part here is that it needs to only be a week's worth of timetable data, and it must be in the same format as this list here. So what I would do is get your timetable list in the same format and copy and paste it into this table here. It doesn't matter how many rows it is, as long as it's in the same column format with the same headings. And then it would be a case of just saving, and then going into your Timetable Grid tool. That will look exactly like this, and then you've got three buttons here that simply select the file you want to use, select the folder you want it to be saved into, and then this button simply creates the output. So let's select the file. So I know where this is in my Timetable Grid tool folder. I know it's that spreadsheet. Open this up into here. Select folder. At the moment it's just going into the same folder, so that's fine. And now I'll just create the output. And there we go. So it's simply saved over the spreadsheet we created earlier. So here's the list as I showed a couple of seconds ago. And now this is the timetable grid that the tool's created. So as you can see, we've got all our rooms along here. And we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then it goes from Monday at 8 in the morning up to Monday at 10. So in this case of this timetable data, our teaching week isn't quite as long as these hours are suggested on here. So we can just remove those hours we don't need to create the correct teaching week. So as long as your teaching is inside 8 AM to 10 o'clock at night from Monday to Sunday, then this Timetable Grid tool should work perfectly for you. And then if you wanted to run the tool again using the same spreadsheet, or wanted to change something on here on your original sheet that you want to be displayed in here, you have to make sure you delete your timetable grid before saving. So I'll delete that, press save, and then simply go back to my tool. Same select, we can select it again there if we wanted to. Select that, create output again, and then the tool just does the same thing again and creates your timetable grid. Okay, so that's it. That's how the timetable grid tool works, and this has been the Education Space Consultancy video tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you'll be able to successfully turn your timetable list into a timetable grid just in a matter of seconds. I hope you found it useful. Thanks very much. Bye.